Cockroaches are unwelcome guests in any home, posing not only a nuisance but also potential health risks. These resilient pests can be challenging to eliminate, but with the right strategies you can bid farewell to these unwanted invaders. In this video, we will explore 5 effective and simple ways to get rid of cockroaches and create a healthier living environment. Number 5. Keep clean and tidy home. The first step in preventing and eliminating cockroaches is to maintain a clean and tidy living space. Cockroaches are attracted to food crumbs, spills, and open food containers. Regularly sweep and vacuum your floors, wipe down surfaces, and store food in sealed containers. Pay special attention to kitchen areas, as this is where cockroaches often find their food sources. By depriving them of easy access to food, you discourage their presence and disrupt their breeding grounds. Number 4. Seal entry points. Cockroaches can enter your home through small cracks and gaps in walls, doors, and windows. Inspect your home for potential entry points and seal them off. Use caulk to seal gaps around windows and doors, and patch up any cracks in walls. Pay attention to areas where pipes or cables enter your home, as these are common entry points. By closing off these access routes, you can prevent cockroaches from entering and establish a barrier against their intrusion. Number 3. Employ natural repellents. Several natural substances act as effective cockroach repellents. Bay leaves, cucumber slices, and catnip are known to deter cockroaches due to their strong odors. Place bay leaves or cucumber slices in areas prone to cockroach activity, such as kitchen cabinets and corners. Additionally, consider planting catnip around your home, as it contains a compound called nepetalactone that repels cockroaches. These natural repellents offer an eco-friendly and non-toxic alternative to chemical pesticides. Number 2. Set out adhesive traps. To effectively deal with cockroach infestations, use adhesive traps strategically placed in areas where you've observed their presence, such as cabinets, under sinks, and along baseboards near entry points. The traps work by capturing cockroaches once they enter. Position them in each corner of the room and leave them in place for 2 to 3 days before replacing them. Additionally, you can create your makeshift sticky traps by wrapping cardboard in duct tape with the adhesive side facing out. Monitor the traps closely, noting the number of cockroaches caught on each one. This will help you identify the areas in your home with the most significant pest issues. Number 1. Use cockroach baits. Cockroach baits and traps are effective tools for eliminating these pests. Place bait stations in areas where cockroaches are frequently seen, such as under sinks and behind appliances. The bait lures the cockroaches, and once consumed, it acts as a poison that is carried back to the nest, effectively eliminating the entire colony. That's all for now. Like and share the video and follow us for more content. Thanks for watching.